Here's a question. Didn't technology evolve to make it easier for us humans to communicate? Almost everything on your phone involves interacting with other people. So, how did it become so complicated? Need to reach a friend? You gotta unlock your screen, select an app, and work it the way it likes to be worked. Only to realize that now you need to switch to another app. So we decided to kick it up a notch. Introducing Droop, a brand new mobile experience so natural you'll wonder why it wasn't always there. Get rid of the whole apps and contacts mess with one simple gesture. Swipe and drop a contact. Bam! Instant interaction performed the same way wherever you are. Lock screen, home screen, or inside any app. Anywhere on your phone. Just look for the Droop dots to call, email, navigate, send a calendar invite, or WhatsApp to any of your contacts. Your recent contacts and favorites are always a swipe away. And groups? For the first time ever, you can email, WhatsApp, send a calendar invite, or even make a conference call to any group using the same simple action. What are you going to do with all this free time? Time to evolve. Get Droopin'.